Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important always to test fuses and relays. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those guys and you're trying to find the fuse for the USB in your center console, most likely you have two USBs. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today, and we'll explain actually you have two fuses, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover each one of those and we'll explain why it's super important to test them as well. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So before we start, what do we have here? 2018 Dodge Challenger. Most people will just open the hood and they will try to find the fuse right here in the fuse box under the hood. You can see like that, but it's not there guys, it's at a different location. Now many of you in the comment section below asked us to share information about a good scanner when working on these cars, and that's the one that we use daily guys. That's our favorite OBD2. It works on almost any car you can think of, and it can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, and see live data. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to learn more about it or if you want to check out the current price and features. Now the USB that we're talking about is the one right here. You can see in the center console. Now car has been in an accident. We'll be rebuilding it here very soon. That's what we'll be working on lately. So if we come right here, we're going to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, you'll come to the fuse box that's located next to the spare tire and the car battery. You can see right here. You need to open it by pressing this one to the back and pull it up. You can see just like that guys. Now very important to test fuses and not just to try to see if they're burned through the glass or not, because sometimes you cannot clearly see that, and when that happens, okay, you may end up guys, you may end up putting a bad fuse that you think it's good, and you may just keep spending time and money to fix a problem that practically doesn't exist. So which fuse now we need to check? The first fuse that we need to check guys, okay, will be fuse number F12. F12 guys will be that little bitty fuse, that 20 amp fuse here. That's one of them, okay, one of them for that USB in the center console. And then we have one more fuse that you need to check. The other fuse guys, it's actually known as fuse number 68. Okay, some of you may have it, some may not. So if you come right here, it will be 1, 2, 3. That fuse right here will be the one if you have it, but we don't. We just have the fuse number 12 right here, which is actually for the USB in the center console. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing to find that. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.